In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Shopify partner account and set up your very own online store. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or an established business owner looking to enhance your online presence, this guide will walk you through each step in a straightforward, easy-to-follow manner. First, let's head over to your favorite web browser. Simply search for Shopify Partner Account on Google. Once you see the results page, you'll want to click on the link that reads, "Become a Shopify Partner today." This will take you directly to Shopify's Partner Program page where you can sign up. Once you're on the Shopify Partners page, the next step is to sign up. Look for the Sign Up button, which should be prominently displayed. Click on it and you'll be directed to a registration page. Here, you'll need to fill in some basic information, such as your name, email, and a secure password. Ensure your password is strong by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. After completing the form with your details, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Shopify. This email will contain a link that you must click on to verify your email address. Email verification is a crucial step as it ensures security and allows you to fully activate your Shopify partner account. With your email verified, you can now log into your Shopify partner dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage all your projects. If you're new to Shopify, take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the dashboard's features. You'll find various options here, ranging from creating stores, managing clients, to accessing Shopify's extensive resources for learning and selling. The primary reason you're here is to create an online store, so let's focus on that. In your dashboard, find the Stores section and click on it. You'll then see an option to create a new store. Click on this button and you will need to fill in some details about your store. This includes the store name, your industry, and relevant personal information. As you proceed, remember to select the Development Store option. This selection allows you to build and test your store without any financial outlay, perfect for someone just starting. Once everything is filled out accurately, hit Create Store at the bottom of the page. Congratulations, you now have a Shopify partner account and your first development store. Feel free to explore Shopify's themes and settings to customize your store. Shopify also offers tons of great resources and tutorials to help you make the most out of your online business. Dedicate some time to explore these options. This will not only polish your store, but also ensure that you're well equipped to handle the online selling landscape. That's it for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your e-commerce journey. Thank you for joining.